We're going to be showing you how to get infinity money and keys and Subway Surface. And so what you're going to do is go to Google Chrome, and then here you're going to search Lucky Patcher. It's right here. You can download it in Android and Apple. You just download it and then click here. Then you're gonna click download. Mine is in Spanish. And you're gonna open it and then install it.
Oh my god.
Okay guys, so now it got download, so you just want to open it and then just click on Subway Surface. Gonna click right here and open purchase menu. Gonna click here. You're gonna click on the third one and you're just gonna control it. Then you just have to wait. Okay guys, so it just got finished, so you want to click in the first one and then you want to click on Subway Surface. You're going to unload and then download, and then you're going to uninstall and then install it back, and then after you're done you're just going to go Subway Surface.
¿Qué tal eso? Ya, sale. Pásalo.
Okay guys, so I just loaded to Subway Surface, as you can see. Go here. Then you have to do the first thing when you download it. Then you can see how many keys I have. You're going to click here on top. Then you want to select what kind of amount you want. I'll click here. Then here. And then as you can see, it just load in. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe. Hit the like button if you liked the video.